So guys, Bitcoin broke out of the triangle formation we have been mentioning in yesterday's video. Then when we have a look on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is still trading below the 200-day moving average, which basically is a bearish sign. So today guys, I want to have a talk about what is happening with Bitcoin in the immediate short-term time frame, but I want to zoom out a little bit and have a look at the broader picture of what is happening with the Bitcoin price and what can we expect in the Bitcoin price over the coming months. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action right after a quick sponsor of today's video. This video is brought to you by the Prime XBT platform. Prime XBT is a cryptocurrency exchange which is offering more than 50 plus trading pairs. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and a variety of altcoins, but as well Forex, commodities and indices such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. Recently, the Prime XBT platform launched the co-vesting module where you can copy other traders and earn Bitcoin based on their trades. And right now, Prime XBT just launched their new upgrade with a better interface design and new functionalities like multiple trading accounts with multiple currencies. And if you sign up to the Prime XBT platform right now using the link down below, you get a 50% deposit bonus and a 25% discount on your fees. Then guys, before we are diving into the Bitcoin price action, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is so much appreciated. And today I don't want to start on the daily time frame actually. Today I wanted to start on the monthly time frame and I want to get rid of my drawings right here as well, so we can have a clear view about what's happening on the monthly time frame. And one indicator that I do want to bring up is the relative strength index right here, because I do think that this is looking actually quite interesting. Also because we are nearing the end of the month, right? So right here we can see that we have just a very big red monthly candle, right? Might be one of the biggest monthly candles we have seen in the history of Bitcoin, where we have seen quite a big of a drop right here. But when we have a look at the RSI, guys, and this is actually quite a bullish signal, then we can see that the RSI came down to the levels right here. Where the last time we were at these levels in the RSI, Bitcoin was trading at approximately $12,000 US. And normally guys, this is a bullish sign. This is showing us that the RSI is retracing further than the price. We can also see that with very clear with a Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's take it from this bottom to the top right here. Then you can see that we retraced on the RSI on the monthly time frame back to the 61.80%. But if I were to measure the same move right here in the price, then you can see that we retraced back to approximately the 50% Fibonacci level, which means that the monthly RSI is retracing further, and normally that is a bullish sign, guys, showing that Bitcoin still has some strength in its price, and that the monthly RSI is actually creating more space for bullish momentum. Then guys, when we have a look at the weekly, we can even see it better. If we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the crash we have seen right here in March 2020, we retraced to the 50% Fibonacci level. If we were to do the same on the RSI right here, then we can see that the RSI retraced way further than the price, which normally this is one of the characteristics we want to see in a bull market, that the RSI is coming down harder than the price, so that we eventually have a lot of space for upwards momentum. So guys, what is happening with Bitcoin right here in the broader perspective? Well, first of all, Bitcoin is trading below a lot of key moving average, below the 20-week moving average, below the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, below the 200-day moving average. So that is actually quite a bearish sign. However, we also have a lot of reasons to believe that we have not seen the top of the bull market yet. A lot of macro charts are indicating that the bull market is still intact. However, Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame is trading below all these moving average, and this is a situation exactly like this we have not yet seen before. So that's also, guys, showing us that the bull market and the rally that we are seeing right here is going to be something different than all of the bull markets we have seen in the past. It might resemble similar characteristics, but eventually this will be a own rally, a own bull market with its own characteristics different than the ones we have seen before. But due to the fact that Bitcoin is trading below these key moving averages, I do think we have to have a bearish bias right here. But we have to be prepared for whenever that is going to switch into a bullish bias, of course, because things can change very quickly when we are looking at Bitcoin. Then guys, let's go to the daily time frame. So guys, when we have a look at the daily time frame, then we can see as well that we are still trading below the 200-day moving average, the orange line right here, which right now is quite significantly showing precisely quite accurate the significance, right? So I think the 200-day moving average is also going to be the first level above us, which we have to watch. Of course, afterwards is going to be the $42,000 level. And for Bitcoin to really turn bullish, I think the first things we need to do is we really need to reclaim some levels, flip some resistance into support, that some trust can come back into the markets. And I think it's also very important to leave this range between 30 and 40,000 and to get back above this high, back above $42,000 and stay above that level. Don't break back below it. That would be a bearish sign, of course. So that would be one of the first structures that I would be watching in the price in order to shift more bullish right here. So guys, when we have a look at the hourly time frame, then we can see that Bitcoin broke out of the triangle formation I've been talking about in yesterday's video, which is also showing weakness in the price of Bitcoin, of course, due to the fact that we are breaking a uptrending support. So basically I would say that Bitcoin right now is trading in this range, which is actually quite a big range, guys, starting at $30,000 going all the way to approximately the 200-day moving average at 40,000, approximately 40,600 right here. And sometimes, guys, it's okay to don't try and outsmart the markets. Sometimes as a trader, you need to be disciplined and you need to hold still in your position and wait until the market is presenting a better opportunity. That is my philosophy, guys. That is how I'm looking at the crypto markets. So guys, I do think that it's very important as a trader that at some moments you just need to take a step back and you need to realize that right now it is very difficult to predict the market structure, the price behavior in the shorter term time frame, and that right now the smarter bet is to wait, let Bitcoin cool off, wait till we get a better, more clearer market structure, and that is the moment we are going to start position again and to enter in trades. One thing I do want to point out, guys, is I do think there is one bullish sign coming quite soon, and that is a buy signal on the hash ribbon. Because if we were to go to the daily time frame and I'll bring up the hash ribbons, then you can see that we had this inversion in the hash ribbon where the shorter term moving average is going below the longer term moving averages, and normally that is a form of minor capitulation. But once this inversion is going back to normal levels, we are seeing the end of minor capitulation, and eventually that is followed most of the time by a buy signal. And if we have a look at the historical Bitcoin price action, guys, then we have seen 12 buy signals approximately, and from that 12 buy signals we have seen most of those buy signals, 10 or 11, they signaled a rally shortly after that buy signal has been firing. So guys, if we go back to 2013 right here, then the first buy signal we got right here, we actually have seen quite of a sell-off in the Bitcoin price, which lasted for maybe a couple of months, and afterwards you will already be in profit if you would have bought at that buy signal. So of course, if you would have bought at any buy signal in the past, you would be in profit right now. That is also one thing to consider. But right here, when we have a look at those buy signals, we can actually see that most of the time, quite quickly after a buy signal, we are seeing a rally in the Bitcoin price. So we got a buy signal right here, rally, buy signal right here, rally. We got a buy signal right here. We got quite immediately a rally, but also we still got some downwards price action before we were really transitioned into a sustainable profit. Right here we got a buy signal right here, also got followed by a quite immediate rally. Right here we got a buy signal which was followed by a rally in the next coming months. Right here we got a nice buy signal. This was a awesome buy signal, guys, actually almost signaling the bottom of the 2018 bear market. So that was really nice, right? And also quite quickly afterwards, we got a major rally. Right here, we got a buy signal followed by a major rally. Right here, buy signal followed by a major rally. right here as well. Right here as well. So guys, sooner or later we will fire this buy signal right here on the hash ribbons. And yeah, if we just have a look at historical price action, it does make sense for Bitcoin to, in the not so distant future, start the next rally. And I also think it does make sense when we have a look at the price. We are in a bull market. We have seen a correction of over 50% from the previous all-time high. I think right now is actually a great opportunity for us to accumulate Bitcoin, although we could be seeing still lower levels in the immediate short-term time frame. If we were to see really lower levels in the short-term time frame, guys, I personally think it is actually shortly lived. So let me just sketch some scenarios, right? And that's also why I don't want to try and always outsmart the markets, because right now it's just very unpredictable to say what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price, right? We could be seeing the bottom right here. We could be getting a fake out below this support and then start the next uptrend. We could be getting a huge drop to the previous all-time high, might even a fake out below this level and then start the next uptrend. If that were to play out, guys, I think this is definitely very, very shortly lived. If that even were to occur, I think this is the less likely scenario. I personally wait for Bitcoin to make that nice transition from a consolidation back into a uptrend, and that is the moment I'm going to go extreme long again in Bitcoin as well as into altcoins, because we have seen in this small bounce as well that once Bitcoin bounced, altcoins bounced even further. So that is a very bullish sign, guys, for the bull market in general. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm thinking. Right now we are trading at approximately 36,000, which also means that we are trading slightly above the average entry price of Elon Musk, like big institutions, right? And I think that's also why I think it's less likely for Bitcoin to really come down to test the previous all-time high. This is also something we haven't done in previous bull market. We never tested the previous all-time high. So yeah, guys, that is also something to take in mind. Bitcoin, didn't really test its previous all-time high in previous bull markets. If we have a look at 2013, when we've set the all-time high at approximately $1,100 then we can see that the moment we broke above that level, we saw a nice rally in the Bitcoin price. That was the 2017 bull market, but we didn't come down and back tested the previous all-time high. So that would as well be a different situation if we were to see that right now. I definitely think, guys, I think right now, although Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame indeed is looking bearish, is trading below the key moving averages, we have to be prepared for more downside. If this were to occur, guys, then it's definitely a great and very, very unique opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. I still think it's the less likely scenario. These levels Bitcoin is trading right now, I think it's also a unique opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin for the longer term time frame. Guys, that is my approach to the markets right now. I really want to get more clarity in order to say with more confidence what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. So I also hope you guys appreciate my honesty right here. Like I said, right now I'm waiting for Bitcoin to show more signs, and once we are seeing those more signs, we can say with more confidence which direction Bitcoin is going and what is actually happening with the Bitcoin price. In some moments you really don't want to try and outsmart the markets, because most traders are losing money when they are doing that. For example, right here, when Bitcoin is just chopping sideways in this strange price action, a lot of traders have lost a lot of money because the price is just very unpredictably going into any direction, trading in a certain range without any clear direction. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm thinking right now, and that is how I'm approaching the markets right now. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, please do make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is so much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.